Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Travis with Going with the Flow RV Adventures. Today we are on day 2 or 3 of our making our way to Yuma, Arizona. We landed at a winery in Wilcox, Arizona, which is east of Tucson. Anyways, this awesome winery here. That's where we're at. This winery is called, what's it called? Birds and Barrels Winery. Pretty cool place. And this open field here is, it's excellent as far as area. We didn't have any problem leveling up or anything. And we're about to go taste some wine, so let's go. We're with some friends of ours, Bernie and Mike Nicholson with Chasing Dreams, and they're in this Journey Winnebago pulling their Jeep. We're caravanning with them to meet up with Dave and Shirley, some other friends of ours in Yuma. So look at Winston. Winston's over there. Look at that dude. Winston's a golden doodle. Beautiful fella. What's up, guys? We are in California, I guess, the Museum of History and Granite. Actually, it's called Center of the World. So they're back right here behind me. Let's catch up with them. What's up, Dave?
Hey.
That's a nice mask you got there.
Shirley made it.
Sweet. Look like we got the place to ourselves, guys.
Yeah.
Just like I like it. So this is the museum, the shop, but the museum is the whole park outside, like the panels and all that stuff.
Follow Jim.
Follow me.
Hello, Jim.
Following Jim.
Jim, how are you, sir? We're all in the center of the world right now, y'all.
Did you get it, Maggie?
We're at the center of the world, and we're gonna walk around and show you guys a little bit of this, but it's a lot of names, a lot of dedication monuments.
They have different monuments for the different things of the world. The Korea Memorial, which has more names on it than it does in Washington, D.C.
Yep. Lots of names.
It has a lot of etchings of Michelangelo Sistine Chapel's famous painting, and a lot of other historical events that happened in California, Arizona, and of course the US. So let's go.
One of the neat things about the French Foreign Legion is, I did not realize this, but you can't be from France to be in the French Foreign Legion.
The etchings are fabulous here.
We're at the center of the world. Let's go climb the steps to the top. From the center to the top.
Up there, there's a thing there, there's a thing there.
Weapons, ammo, illegal in Mexico. Oh shit. Going into Mexico.
Where's your-
people.
We're in Los Algodones. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
So we just packed up. We're at Foothill Village RV Resort in Yuma, and we're headed to Quartzsite a couple of days early. Today is January the 12th, and we're hooking up.
Can you feel it? Oh, bigger than the sky. Oh, can you hear it? Oh, see it in my eyes. I see.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please hit the subscribe button somewhere up there. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
Yes, and stay tuned for next week. We'll bring you some more shots on the Yuma Caravan in Quartzsite, and we're gonna go tour some beautiful RVs at the Quartzsite RV show. So stay tuned.
Bye.
Perfect.
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 Was that perfect?
Yes.
Was that good?
Perfect.
Was that good? Tell me.
It
Hey,
was
baby.
very good.
Hey, baby.
Come
Was it good?
on. We gotta get this video out.
What's up? Hey guys, welcome back. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We had a great time on this caravan with our friends. What's their names?
Mike and Bernie.
Take 6.
You got the giggles this morning.